I can't stand the rain.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's my window.
I think if I can, I'll try and say 7, 8, but I might miss it. Okay, so rain against my window. No, I can't stand the rain. There were several choreographies to this song, maybe 5 or 6 years ago. But then there was this new one was written just last year, and it seems pretty popular going by the votes. It's by Weiss. It's 32 count, 4/wall. There are no tags, no restarts, but the music kind of goes off phrase and then it comes back on again. So your first 8 starts with the jazz box, weights on the left. So jazz box 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle forward, 5 and 6, and rock recover 7, 8. Okay, so jazz 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 5 and 6, rock 7, 8. Second 8, walk back with sweeps. So back left, sweep, right, sweep, shuffle back 3 and 4, a coaster step 5 and 6, big step forward 7, and drag your right foot up and touch. Okay? So second 8 starts with the weight on the right, back 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, coaster 5 and 6, step drag 7, 8. One more time, back 1, 2, shuffle back 3 and 4, coaster 5 and 6, step drag 7, 8. And that's half the dance. From the top, jazz box, 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 5 and 6, rock 7, 8, back 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, coaster 5 and 6, 7, 8. One more time, jazz, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to make a turn to the new wall. It's kind of like a modified Monterey. Monterey quarter turn would be point, turn and step, point, step. In this dance, we do the first part, point, turn and step, and then a side rock cross, 3 and 4. I think I'm going to do this now from the side wall because then you'll see how the dance finishes at the 12 o'clock wall. It is a 4-wall dance. So your point, turn, step, 1, 2, side rock cross, 3 and 4, and then a syncopated vine for 5, 6, and cross shuffle 7 and 8. This is the most complicated part of this dance. So point, turn, side rock cross, side, behind and cross and cross. Again, 1, 2, rock 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Sing out if you have a problem with that, you need me to do it differently somehow. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. And it goes really well with the music. Let's add that on. Let's start from this one. So jazz, 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 5 and 6, rock 7, 8, walk back, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, coaster 5 and 6, 7, 8, point 1, turn 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Yes? Easy bit now. Hip bumps with a quarter turn. So hip bumps to the right, right, left, right, weights on the right, make a quarter turn and do left bumps, 3 and 4, a pivot half, paddle quarter, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see that after you do that turn, this is your new wall. You just have maybe to do an extra full turn, but this is the wall you come back to. Okay, so the Last set of 8 is your hip bumps. 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, pivot paddle, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you don't want to do the turn, do your hip bumps without one. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and a rocking chair, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you start again with the jazz. If you are doing the turns, so bump 1 and 2, half, quarter turn 3 and 4, pivot half, 5, 6, paddle quarter, 7, 8. Make sure that you get all the way around so that you can cross over into your jazz box. So, second half starts with your modified Monterey. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rock 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, and hip bumps 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, paddle 7, 8, jazz 1, 2, 3, starts the dance again. Okay, let's do it all the way through, and we'll continue on 12-part wall. Jazz box 7, 8, jazz 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 5 and 6, rock 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3 and 4, coaster 5 and 6, 7, 8, point 1, 2, rock 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, and hip bumps, and 2, 3 and 4, turns 5, 6, 7, jazz, 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 5 and 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, point 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, bumps 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turns 5, 6, 7, 8, jazz, 2, 3, 4, shuffle, rock, recover, back, shuffle, coaster, step, step, touch, point, turn, side rock, cross, side, behind, and cross, hip bumps, hip bump, turn, half, quarter, jazz, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, rock 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3 and 4, coaster 5 and 6, 7, point, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, bumps 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turns 5, 6, 7, 8. Questions? Everybody okay? I can't stand the rain. This is Seal. The song was done by quite a few other people, including
Rain against my window, sweet
Rates on the left, jazz box.
I can't stand the rain
1, 2, 3,
against my window,
rock recover, walk back,
bringing back sweet memories.
step touch,
I can't stand the rain
side rock,
against my window,
behind and cross, shuffle, turn,
'cause you're not here.
pivot 5, 6 and 7,
There won't be pain. Do you remember
back 1, 2,
how sweet it used to be
6, 7, 1, 2,
when we got together?
5, 6 and 7 and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1 and 2,
bringing back
3
sweet
and 4,
memories.
5, 6,
I can't stand it.